Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the last Tech Travel Geeks video of 2022. In this video we're going to unbox, taste and review some biscuits that we've been sent as a gift by HONOR. Now, you probably have seen some of our Tech Travel Geeks HONOR videos this year. HONOR was one of our most popular brands on the channel during 2022. And I think this is a nice way to wrap up the year on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel by going through these biscuits. So, just to clarify, if you're watching in the US, these are not biscuits which we call scones. These are cookies, probably. And they come from Biscuiteers, which is a famous brand here in the UK. They do very posh biscuits, or cookies. And as you can see, the packaging indicates that it's Biscuiteer Biscuits in here. Now, what happens when I unbox these? There should be no need for my jerry-rig everything unboxing knife, because they're there. And on the inside there's a little cardboard insert keeping the biscuit safe. Alright, and here we have 4 lovely Biscuiteer biscuits customized for HONOR. And if we look at them in a little bit more detail, you can see that we have reviewed 3 of these products during the year, or better, we've reviewed 2 of them, and we're just about to publish our long-term review of another one in this year. So, as you can see here, we have the HONOR Magic 4 Pro. Here it is. And we did do a long-term review of that phone. And I think we can do a review of this biscuit, or this cookie, today. And I'll have a second opinion with my wife, who will be joining us in a moment. Then we have the Biscuiteer biscuit of the HONOR Magic watch. The HONOR Watch GS3, which is the one that's currently on my wrist. And it's actually a very good little representation of the watch with the ocean blue strap. Again, we have already published the long-term review of that smartwatch. Check that out on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Now, one device we've had some very brief hands-on time, but not really enough to give you a video on, is the HONOR foldable smartphone. Now, this was HONOR's first foldable smartphone, but there are more on the way. We've seen it announced for the Chinese market, and we're hoping to get some more insight into what the HONOR foldables for the UK and European markets will be like. And last but not least is the HONOR 70. Yes, that's the HONOR 70. It is a lovely smartphone. I'm about to finish the long-term review of the HONOR 70 smartphone, but here it is in biscuit or cookie format. So let's start off with the oldest of the 4. Let's start off with the HONOR Magic 4 Pro. Or shall we start with the HONOR 70? I'm confused. No, let's do the foldable. See if it folds. Out it comes of the packaging. A little bit of extra to keep it in place in the box here, and it's a chocolate biscuit underneath with some very nice icing. And the HONOR logo, it's actually slightly raised on here. You can see that camera module at the side and the fold in the middle. This is actually very well done. So what I'm going to do is take a bite out of it and give you my first impressions. That is very tasty. So as I said, we'll get a second impression here from my wife, who's going to join me here behind me. Candice. So thoughts, Candice?
Really good. Nice snap and not too sweet.
So you heard that from the baking specialist herself. It's got good snap and it's not too sweet. And that's a good way of summarizing it. So really tasty biscuit. Very good gift from HONOR to wrap up 2022. Thanks to HONOR for the cookies and their support to the Tech Travel Geeks through 2022. We look forward to publishing many more videos about HONOR products in the future. But for now, I think it's time to wrap up this quick unboxing and review of HONOR cookies. Thank you to everyone who has watched Tech Travel Geeks YouTube videos through 2022, and here's to a busy 2023 with lots of new fresh content, and maybe revisiting some older devices after a few months or years of updates. But for now, thanks for watching from us here at Tech Travel Geeks.